Berry hibiscus tea is rapidly gaining popularity, and for good reason. It's not just a refreshing drink but a powerhouse of health benefits. When you brew it, the vibrant red color and inviting aroma immediately hint at something special. If you've been searching for a new tea to try, this could be your perfect match. The combination of hibiscus flowers and berries creates a delicious, tangy, and sweet flavor that's both satisfying and refreshing. But it's not just the taste that makes this tea special, it's packed with health benefits. Hibiscus is known for its antioxidants and anthocyanins, which help fight free radicals and protect your body from premature aging and illness. The berries add even more antioxidants and essential vitamins, giving you a nutrient boost with every sip. One of the standout benefits of berry hibiscus tea is its ability to support heart health. Studies show that hibiscus can help lower blood pressure, making it a great option for those managing hypertension. The berries further enhance these effects by promoting cardiovascular health and improving blood flow together. They create a powerful drink for your heart. This tea also boosts your immune system. The vitamin C, found in both hibiscus and berries, helps strengthen your immune defenses and fight off infections. It's a great way to stay healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Plus, berry hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free, making it perfect for anyone who wants to avoid the jitters that come with caffeine. Berry hibiscus tea is also an excellent way to stay hydrated. Whether hot or cold, it's a great alternative to sugary sodas and high-calorie drinks. Plus, it's a fun way to refresh yourself with a delicious beverage that nourishes your body at the same time. The versatility of berry hibiscus tea is another reason it's so popular. You can enjoy it hot on chilly days or chilled as a refreshing iced tea in the summer. You can also add honey or a squeeze of lime for an extra touch of sweetness and zest. This flexibility makes berry hibiscus tea a great addition to your daily routine. So, why not make berry hibiscus tea your new go-to beverage? With its amazing health benefits and delicious taste, it's a drink that nourishes your body and uplifts your spirit. Brew a cup today and see for yourself how berry hibiscus tea can become your new favorite drink.